everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Gmail without phone number and email. So that means you don't have to enter a code and still you will be able to reset the password of your Gmail account. So make sure to watch the video till the end and listen to the instructions carefully. So first of all, we have to go to the Gmail sign in page and then enter the email address you want to recover, then click on next. As you don't remember the password, you have to click on this option, forgot password. So as you can see, the first option is you have to enter the last password that you remember using with this Google account. So here you have to enter that password that you remember using it for with this Gmail account. Whatever password you remember, it can be incorrect or correct as well. So you can also skip this step if you want. So for that you have to click on this option, try another way, or just enter the password that you remembered and click on next. So here I'm going to enter the password that I remember and then click on next. As you can see, I'm getting the option to check my phone and see a notification from Google that I have received. So as it is written that Google sent a notification to your devices, it's showing two of my mobile devices, alright, that I have used to log into my Gmail account. So I have to use any of those devices and just I have to tap that number that I can see on the screen. So here is the notification that I have received, as you can see on the screen. So I have to press yes and then I have to press the number that I can see on my computer screen. Alright, so once I do that on my phone, it will allow me to change my password. So the number is 66. So yeah, as you can see, it has allowed me to reset my password by verifying my account that it belongs to me by simply tapping a number on my mobile devices. So for this method, you need not to have your mobile number. You just have to use your old mobile device that you have used previously to log into your Gmail account. So at this point now you can create a new password for a Gmail account without entering any code. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.